Welcome to the third section, Purchase Management. In the previous section, we saw how we can create a quotation and send our quotation to our customer, then converting quotation to sales order, finally sales reports. In this section, we are going to take a look at creating and sending request for quotation to the vendor, then managing purchase agreement, then controlling vendor bills, and finally, as usual, will be reports. This is first video, creating and sending a request for quotation to your vendors. In this video, we will cover the following points: creating a request for quotation, sending request for quotation to the vendor by mail, receiving vendor's reply inside our system, and finally converting request for quotation to purchase order. First of all, we have to install Purchase Management module to can do the previous points. Now let's go to our system. For defining vendor profile, it will be like customer profile. So from purchase menu, then purchase, then vendors, you can check all vendors profiles. So the only difference, you have to check either vendor option, and you can mark it as a vendor and as a customer in the same time. Then you can save it. So now we will create request for quotation. Let's go to request for quotation menu, then click create, then select our vendor. So I will select Brightex as it will be customer and vendor in the same time. After that, you can select your product. Let's select graphic card, and I will mark the quantity to be 10. Save it. You can send your request for quotation to your customer. You can print it like a customer quotation. Let's print it to have a look. Here is the request for quotation, which will be sent from the system to our vendor. Now let's send it to our vendor by click on send RFQ by email. The system will attach the PDF. Then we will click send. Let's act like vendor. You will find that our vendor received an email from our side. Let's open it. He can check the attached file and he can reply the unit price, well, $10. Send. Let's check again our system. Now let's open our request for quotation. You will find our vendor replies. It will be entered to the right document. Just I will edit and enter the price, save it, then I can confirm it to purchase order.